Ah, my pants. I need a cushion. So today, we see whether the Korean version or the American version of cereal is better. Well, it's been a while since I made a food video. My most recent videos, not too Hawaii videos. Go check those out. Well, new setting. I'm on the floor, the couch is gone, I have a new coffee table, and new backdrop. So I hope you enjoy this backdrop because I spent 2 hours putting this up. As you can tell, I like Mario. I like a lot of things. But anyways, let's get on the video. Right now, it's about 11 a.m. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. And, well, I'm about to compare one of my favorite cereals, I would say top 5, to its Korean counterpart. If you can't tell from the title of this video, it's Oreos. And, well, you know, by popular opinion, it's probably not the best cereal. My favorite is, again, what was it, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Captain Crunch, Special K with fruit and yogurt, and, you know, I forget. But Oreos, top 5. Maybe it's number 4. Maybe it's number 5. But anyways, for this entirety of this video, the only reason why I bought this and this is because I found this at the Korean market. I found the Korean Oreos. And for a period of time, I remember Oreos weren't available in America. Only the Korean version of it was. So I saw this and I was like, I'm out of Oreos anyways. Might as well test them out. And also make a video out of it, might as well. And as you can tell right here, the Korean Oreos, I can't read Korean, so I can't tell what any of this says. But on the right side, in the Korean market, they have nutrition facts that are in English. And if you look at the American one, it is in a cup and 1/3. So if you proportion this out correctly, this is 1 cup of this to 1 cup of this is 160 calories. Math. 120 calories for 1 cup, 120 calories for 1 cup. It's about the same. I'm gonna just on the math like right here, just, you know, to be accurate. Anyways, let's try these out, and yeah. Wait a minute. Oh shit! Oh my god, I was gonna pour all this stuff out, but look at the difference in packaging already. The American one is in plastic, and the Korean one's in like the shiny, foily plastic. Oh my god, it didn't even. Dude, that's crazy. I was just setting this up, but might as well interrupt the video to show the fact that the packaging's already different. Look at this foil packaging and plastic packaging. Oh my lord. This is crazy. There's already a visual difference. This is the Korean one. This is the American one. The Korean one has like a dark brown color compared to the American one, and also has a marshmallow disc, whereas the American one is just coated in sugar. So if I were to pick one more appetizing, this would look way better. This one looks more like an Oreo. So it's the American one. I mean, it's just what I thought was like a chocolate cereal with sugar coated on top. But then this one. Ooh, I'm kind of a fan. It's like not as hard to eat. It's like a lot softer in the consistency. And this marshmallow, I'm not always a fan, but like it adds a different texture than just like a bunch of hard. Oh, this is a lot harder because I think it's like sugar coating, but it's a lot softer. I like it a little bit more. Who am I to say anything before taking a nice big scoop of the American one? Nice big scoop of that. Look. Holy crap, there's actually a difference. There's actually a difference in flavor. It's so weird. This is more of just like a sugar taste. But the Korean one, there's an actual like chocolate taste to it. It's kind of crazy. Dude, Korean Oreos are better. No, like, you can say whatever you want, but I'm thinking Korean Oreos are way better than the American ones. Oh my god, that's crazy. It's insane. This actually is insane. Holy sh**. Oh my god. Wait. my god, this is insane. Ooh, I'm gonna tell my mom. Look at this. It's actually different.
Marshmallow.
It tastes different too. Try it. More chocolatey.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right?
More flavor. Yeah, more marshmallow.
Small is the American one.
Go watch.
The bite is like...
The flavor is better.
It's better.
Way better.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I was like...
So they made in Korea?
This one's made purposely for Korea back then. This is like...
But it tastes like cookie.
Right?
Cookie.
Well, there you have it. Not just my opinion, but my mom's opinion. Hope you enjoyed. So if you were to debate between American Oreos and Korean Oreos, I would 100% pick the I would 100% pick the Korean one because it tastes way better. Like more chocolatey. The marshmallow just adds a different consistency, less sweet, and it doesn't hurt your mouth. This one actually kind of like hurts your mouth a little bit because it's so like rough with all the sugar. But this one has like smooth O's with a little bit of sugar on top, and then the marshmallow just adds that little extra like. So, Korean Oreos.